Hi grade 2s, here are the strategies for subtraction. So subtracting to 100 is a little trickier. We're going to use the exact same methods just to show you to make it a lot easier on how you can, what strategies to use. There's many different strategies. The two we're focusing on again is an open number line and breaking apart. We call it expanded form. We also call it splitting the number. So there's a bunch of different ways that we can do this question, but we're going to use the open number line. So you can use the open number line and you can count back or you can count forward, whichever way is easier for you. So I'm going to show you both strategies on the open number line. So you could start at 39 and we have to go all the way to get to 52. However you're going to get there, how many jumps, and then you just need to add those jumps. So 39, I know to get to 40 is way easier, and then from 40 to 52, those are really close together, so it's not a very big jump. I don't know why I wrote it so far, but if I jump all the way to 50, and then 1, 2 will get me all the way to 52. So I added 1 here, I added 10 here, I added 1, and I added 1. So now to get my answer, I just need to calculate what that number is. And I'm pretty sure you can see what those numbers are. It is 10 plus 11, 12, and 13. So my answer should be 13. So I'm going to show you that using we call that adding on. It's a lot easier when you're doing subtraction to work from the smallest number and get to the biggest number. I'll show you how to get from the biggest number backwards. You start at 52 over here, and we need to get all the way again to 39. So I'm going to go back minus 2, because from 52 to take away 2 is 50, which is a lot easier. And then I need to get all the way to 39. Well, I'm going to jump to 40, because I can skip count now by tens. And then I just need to jump 1 minus 1 to get me to 39, and that's where that number comes from. So I ended at 39 and I started at 52. Add these numbers together and you hopefully would have gotten 13 again. Now I'm going to show you how to do the break apart expanded or the split strategy, we call it. So just like I did for adding, it's really important that you're not splitting both of these numbers, you're just splitting the second number. So the smaller number you want to split into a 20 and a 5. And sometimes you want to split it even more to make your life easier. So you can decide which way you want to do this. You can do 74 minus 20, or you can try to split this even more. How about we do a 4 and a 1? Well, 74 minus 4 is a lot easier for me to do in my head, and I get 70. Then I'm going to take away that 1, and I have 69. Now I need to take away that 20, so I'm going to take away 10, because it's easier for me to do, to 59. Then I'm going to take away another 10, and I'm going to land on 49. So there is the way to use the break apart method. I'm going to show you both of these strategies again, so we can see if we get the exact same answer. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to show you the open number line. I'm going to start at 25, and I have to get all the way to 74. Well, 25, I can get to 75 pretty easy because I know how to skip count by 25s. But if you don't, then don't worry about it. Here you can jump plus 5. You should know how to skip count by 5s. And then I'm going to do a big jump. You can go 10. That's going to get me to 40. Then I'm going to do 50. Oh, I'm getting there. 60. Oh, I'm getting there really close. 70. And then I go from 70 to 4, and that's a plus 4. So this was a 10, a 10, a 10, and a 5. So if I add this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. And look at that. I get the exact same answer. I just used a different strategy. I'm going to show you this question using the open number line now. No, maybe that's what I did. I did it as an open number line on this side. So now I'm going to show you this question with a split strategy. So 52 minus 39 equals. So I'm going to split the 30 and the 9. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to do this. Well, I know my basic facts to make that a friendly number. Well, I'm going to change that to a 9, to a 2, and a 7. So now I'm going to go 52 minus 2 equals 50. minus 7. Oh, that's a little tricky, so hopefully you can do your basic facts and figure out that it is 43. And then I need to jump back my 30. So now I need to go 43 minus 10 is 33, minus 10 is 23, and then 23 minus 10 equals 13. So I took away my 30 from here, and I took away my minus 2 and my minus 7, which equals that minus 9. So I got the exact same answer, just a different strategy. I hope this helps grade 2s, and we'll keep practicing this every day for the next couple of weeks, or probably up until the end of the school year. So hopefully we get faster and we pick strategies that make sense. I hope you have fun doing math. Bye!